Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special unboxing for you today. It could be the best unboxing I have ever done, and it is right here in this box. So based on the size, you might be taking a couple of guesses. It's a little small to be a handbag. Is it jewelry? Is it shoes? You know I love my shoes. Louis Vuitton perhaps, Chanel, Hermes. I won't keep you in suspense anymore. So I'm just gonna open it up real quick, and it's my new Himalayan kitten. Isn't she the cutest thing? Here, I'm gonna bring her up close so you can see her face. Oh my goodness. She is so gorgeous. So if you follow my channel at all, you might know that it is named me Penelope, but I am not Penelope. My name is Chris, and I named my channel after my cat. Her name was Penelope, and it was kind of a joke because she hated the camera and she would never perform for it. So it was, you know, sort of an inside joke that you will never meet Penelope on camera. She just didn't like to pose for the camera. I'll try to put a picture up, and you can see most of the time she looked like roadkill in her photos. But we got her from a shelter and we never really knew how old she was, and last winter she started to get sick with hyperthyroidism, and she passed away on March 31st, a little suddenly, and we were just heartbroken because she was the sweetest, most friendly, affectionate cat, and we really miss her. So she had been a shelter pet. We had no idea how old she really was, and those kinds of cats, Persians, Himalayans, are really difficult to find in the shelters, and then again, you never know how old they are. So when I started thinking about getting another little companion, I looked into kittens, and this is who I found. So her name is, oh, she wants to go. Her name is Georgina. I named her after my parents. My dad was George. He passed away in 2018. And my mom, Jean, just passed away in December, so Georgina. And we kind of call her Georgie. Little G, a lot of little nicknames that my husband makes up for her, but she's 12 weeks old tomorrow, and she is a Himalayan. As I said, I just love Himalayans. They are the sweetest, most affectionate, friendliest cats, really calm. They love people, they love to be around them, and we are absolutely having a blast with little Georgina. Just loving her to pieces. So she does love to be brushed, which is really nice, and she has been very curious. She's been playing. We have a laser pointer. She's chasing that. She loves all of those little fishing toys that we bought her, but I was just really happy and thrilled. I found a really great breeder. I guess she had 6 litter mates, which is a really big litter for Himalayans, but as you can see, I'm just gonna go and see if I can pick her up, because all of a sudden she started running around. Give me a sec. Okay, we're back. So as you can see, she has beautiful blue eyes. Oh, see, we're in a room that she's not used to, and she just wants to run around. She has beautiful blue eyes and a whitish, a very cottony coat, and this is kind of cat that needs a lot of extra grooming and attention, but we're used to it because of our other one. They have to have their eyes washed a lot too and stuff, but oh, so cute, and we are just loving her to pieces. So we've had her for a week, and she cost as much as a new handbag, but at the same time, I would rather have the companionship of this beautiful little cat than look at a handbag sitting on my shelf, or at least another handbag sitting on my shelf. So I am really excited, and I wanted just to share her with you. And you know, I feel so much joy when I look at her. She's so much fun. So I hope you enjoy this little unboxing and stick around. I have a lot of photos and some videos of her because I'm kind of obsessed, so I hope you enjoy them. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, where I will be talking about shoes, bags, and clothing, and probably a little bit of Georgina as well.